Samsung Galaxy S5 Neon, let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's find and select the apps icon. Here you need to scroll down and choose settings. Then scroll down again and select backup and reset. Scroll down one more time and choose reset network settings. So this will reset all network settings, including the Wi-Fi, cellular data and Bluetooth. If you are aware of this, let's start reset settings and confirm the operation by tapping reset settings again. So connection settings have been reset, so now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.